Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to log into Bullx Neo account. So guys, search for Google to Bullx Neo and click this login option as you can see here guys. And after that I have this option. You can just connect your telegram account. So guys, what you have to do, click this connect telegram account and complete these steps. Just open your telegram here and click confirm, and then you will redirect this dashboard to your account here. And this is the only option available guys. You can just connect telegram account and you can start trading instantly without any problems. So guys, this is the platform guys. You can connect directly with telegram. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible guys. And this is the platform guys. You can trade all your options.